What's going on, everybody? My name's Chris. Welcome to my channel. I've got in this box the Elevate Lutherie rolling pin sander, and it's the version 2. So, quick story, I tried to order the rolling pin sander a couple weeks ago and it said it was discontinued on the website, so I was a little bummed out because of that, and they said there was a new model coming. So I went to the website randomly during my last video when I was editing the last video and saw it was in stock. So I've got it in here, so so I got some sandpaper here. This is 80 grit. I probably should have ordered more, but this is what it comes with. I think it's sticky adhesive sandpaper. This must be the tool just wrapped up in this right here. Oh, there you go. I guess the sandpaper goes there. You hold it with the drill here, and it looks pretty basic. So it's got, I guess this version, the last version took a sleeve, and this version has a little, it's like a spiral engraving in it, like an engraved line. I guess so that you can follow that with this, maybe. I don't know. See if I can figure it out. So there's no instructions. It just says to go to elevatelutherie.com for instructions on how to set it up and use it. I'm guessing it looks like there's a video tutorial coming soon on the website. It's not up yet, but like I mentioned, this line, it says it's a scribe line, which I don't know, what did I say, spiral groove or something. Let's see if we can get the sandpaper on them. I wonder if I line it up, I guess I'll have to trim some off the sides, but if I line it up with that spiral groove and then go all the way around, so yeah, it's just enough to cover the whole thing, and then I guess you trim off the excess. So I guess there's nothing to do but to give it a shot. Start on the end here and just follow it around. I might want to line it up on this other side now that I'm coming around to the second wrap, so there's not a hump in it. Right here, I'm just lining it up with that other one, trying to keep it flat. Alright, so just got a little bit left. Wraps all the way around. It's not too hard. So, I mean, I got off the angle just a little bit and just pull it back up and restart. I've just got this X-Acto knife here. Alright, that'll do with the sandpaper. Let's check it up in the drill. Pretty cool, huh? It's just this part that rotates. You see how that works? It's pretty nice. So anyway, I've got to do some sanding on my guitar so that I can do the binding. And I'm ready to go. So hopefully I'll get to that really soon. And I'll see you when that happens. Bye.